Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Okay. How about milk? How about bananas?
No.
How about mangoes?
No.
No. How about avocado?
No.
How about sinigang? You like sinigang?
No.
Okay. What do you want to eat? Do you want chocolate?
No.
How about spaghetti?
No.
Noodles?
No.
What else, man? What else, man, do you like? What else? What else do you like?
Do you want
What do you want?
chicken?
Chicken? Do you eat chicken?
Do you want Pikachu?
You want Pikachu? We can't eat Pikachu, man.
Water.
Water. Okay, you like water. What else?
Pack.
What's that? What is that, man? Ice cream? You like ice cream?
Okay.
You like ice cream?
Okay.
How about burger?
Book.
You like burger?
No.
How about French fries?
No.
You don't like French fries also? How about chips? You like chips?
No.
No. What else do you want? You like pudding?
No.
But we have pudding on the refrigerator, man. You like that? Chocolate pudding? You ate kanina. Oh. Okay, very good. What else do you want? You eat candies? Oh, what's that? That's your tummy. Can you do the pogi pose? Pogi.
Yay.
Yay.
Kanina ang
Chocolate is
yummy.
very good.
Siko.
Too much chocolate is too much chocolate. It's
Yucky.
okay, yeah. Boogers.
No.
Boogers is
Yummy.
booger? No, booger is yucky. How about burger? Burger is
Yummy.
yummy, very good. How about ice cream? Ice cream is
Yummy.
yummy, very good. How about banana?
No.
Banana is
Yummy.
yummy?
No.
No, not yummy. Why? Do you not like bananas? What is the color of banana?
Yellow.
Yellow. Is it yummy or yucky?
No.
It's not yummy.
Okay.
How about bread? You like bread?
No.
How about peanut butter? You like peanut butter?
No.
No? What do you like? You like spaghetti?
No.
No then? How about pancit? You like pancit, diba? You like pancit?
No.
No, you don't like pancit. Don't sit on mama. Sit on mama. You like baby brother or baby sister?
No.
You want baby? Baby brother, baby sister? Man, what do you want, man? Baby brother or baby sister? You want boy or girl? Joji. Joji. Psst. Joji. You want a baby boy or baby girl?
Say both.
Can you say baby boy, baby girl? What do you want, man?
Both. I want both.
You want a playmate? You want playmate? Ha? You want playmate? Bored. Are you hungry?
No.
No, you're hungry. Are you sleepy?
No.
No, then? Then, are you bored?
No.
No? Do you want to play?
No.
What do you want to do, man? Do you want baba?
No.
You don't want baba? You want carries?
No.
You want to sleep?
No.
You want to play?
No.
You want to watch TV?
No.
You want to watch Pokemon?
No.
Yan. Puntahan, patay na to. Diba?